So you know.
No.
You swear?
No.
Okay. Tell me. I won't hesitate to shoot you, I swear.
I'm not for certain.
You're not for certain?
Nope.
But you have an idea?
Yes.
Okay. Where's your idea?
It's at Steven.
It's what?
It's at in Steven's stock.
In Steven's stock?
Want to show us?
What the freak are you talking about? It's in the stock of his gun?
Yeah, that's the only thing that I know.
Wait, what? They're putting the nukes in the stock of his gun?
That's all I know. Unless that's the battle plan.
No, that's the battle plan, not the nukes.
Then I have no idea where the nukes
Can
are.
we shoot him and send him off?
Sure. How's it going?
Hey, Anthony!
Ow, my freaking thumb.
I kind of want to go like a different direction because always people can go into the store.
Yeah, maybe we could go to the boat.
Well, not into the boat.
Oh no. My leg holster's falling down. Oh no. Well. Son of a biscuit. Steven, remember, no Russian. Okay.
We're taking you hostage.
Thank you, that was very nice of you.
Take me hostage too?
No.
Please no.
Can you medic me and interrogate me?
Call me a hostage.
Oh, come on, Jeremy. Oh, you're breaking my freaking arm. It hurts.
Then come with us.
Ow, that freaking hurts.
Get up
Grab
there.
me by the back of my plate carrier. Give me some dignity.
The plate carrier I'm using is the plate carrier I'm using is an AMA. The plate carrier I'm using is a Molly. The plate carrier I'm using is an AMA. Can't speak today. The plate carrier I'm using is a AMA Rapid Response Maritime Plate Carrier.
Holy crap.
See what you lucky did?
Whoa.